And let's dive into changing your Moonswatch strap. It might seem trivial, but finding a watch with the right strap can change your life. You might start by staring at a cluttered table full of tools and watch parts. That's the first pain point, too much chaos. Begin by laying out all your tools neatly. You'll primarily need a spring bar tool, which can look intimidating, but is easy to manage. Visualize this as your passport to a world where style meets precision. A well-organized workspace is key. Trust me. Start by flipping your watch face down on a soft surface. And it's crucial because the last thing you want is to scratch the glass. As you look at it, imagine your watch thanking you for the extra care. Screenshots of soft materials can illustrate this. Locate the tiny holes on your watch lugs. They are small, like the eyes of a needle. Your spring bar tool should slide in and press gently to release the spring bars. Always keep calm. Patience is your ally here. A zoomed image here would be after. Once you press the spring bar, the strap should disengage smoothly. And that's where the magic happens. Life just got a tad easier. Okay, so feel free to change camera angles for dramatic effect. And remember, the goal is to make it look almost effortless. And now comes the fun part, choosing your new strap, just like picking a new personality for your watch. Now, the number of styles is endless, and a perfect match could turn you into a style icon. Capture watches with different straps for inspiration. Slide the spring bars into your new watch strap. It's akin to threading a needle, but with swagger. Sometimes one end will go easier than the other, and that's okay. The pro tip is to hit the right angle. Expect some trial and error. Fit one end of the spring bar into the hole on the lug. This demands focus and precision. Think of it as launching a mini probe into a space station. And tap patience into your skill set. Close-up images can emphasize the fine details of this step. Using the spring bar tool, compress the other end, gently sliding it into the opposite hole. All right. Snap, that satisfying click, signal the job. Well done. And the moment will feel momentous. It's a true rite of passage for watch enthusiasts. Once your new strap is installed, conduct a quick alignment check. Imagine your wrist as the final runway for a debut fashion show. The reward is almost zen-like satisfaction. Show before and after shots of the watch to underscore the transformation. Fasten the watch strap around your wrist with pride. And that's something that right in our writer tale of customization. And it's so amazing. And I think it's so right, and shouldn't be too tight or too loose. Strive for that Goldilocks zone. Display some wrist model shots for effect. Changing a strap isn't just about aesthetics, it's about self-expression. And the feeling is transformative, and you'll find this small change sparks fresh confidence. And keep capturing those lifestyle nuances to inspire viewers. Back here in Portland, I wear my upgraded Moonswatch with unmatched pride. Each glance at the time is a nod to, self-reinvention. Let this guide serve as your motivational boost to embrace change. You deserve it.